down here on the aisle where all the wheels are. And get yourself 4 of these. This barb right here will fit into your current hole where your wheel's going to come out of.
They all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try.
Alright, so now we got our new wheels. Go ahead and take the first one out of the package. Take another one out of the package here. I've already removed one of the wheels that came stock with it. And as you can see, the similarities in the way they go in. This one has more of a taper here, but this is the issue. This piece becomes loose and bent. As you can see, it's bent back. And the wheel no longer travels and touches the floor, it actually hits the inside of this shroud right here. So we got our new wheel. The way I took this one out, I ended up having this handy dandy crescent claw, and it can be a little challenging. You don't want to break off this black plastic, so you want to hold that and pop it out. You can also use some silicone spray to get the new one in. And this one's just going to slide right in. As you see, it spins freely inside the entire shroud. Doesn't hit anything. And the wheel, when you're done, you'll notice sticks up slightly higher than the old one, which is kind of nice because it gives you more travel clearance inside your garage or your shop. And the wheel is more round than it is square on the sides, so it moves a little easier when you're pulling it around your shop. But that's it. Pretty simple video on how to change your wheels or fix ones that are broken, or if they're not broken, even upgrade your wheels. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, ask any questions below in the comments you have, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.